Good morning, friends. How are you? How's your life going on? Today, we are going to talk about .NET Framework. .NET is a software framework that includes everything required for developing software for web services. It integrates presentation technologies, component technologies, and data technologies on a single platform so as to enable users to develop internet applications as easily as they do on desktop systems. Microsoft took many of the best ideas in the industry, added their own creativity and innovations, and produced a coherent system solution popularly known as Microsoft .NET. Microsoft .NET software solution strategy includes three key approaches according to diagram. .NET strategy, it has 3 points: .NET platform, .NET products and services, third party .NET services. So you can pay attention to the diagram, this one, right? Next, Microsoft .NET platform includes the following components that would help develop a generation of smart internet services. First, .NET infrastructure and tools. Second, .NET user experience. Third, .NET building block. Fourth, .NET device software. Microsoft .NET products and services consist of the following: Windows .NET, MSN .NET, Visual Studio .NET, personal subscription services, vCentral for .NET. So friends, third-party .NET services will provide opportunities to a vast range of developers and users to produce corporate and vertical services using .NET platform. Next, the origins of .NET technology. Before going into the details of .NET features further, we shall see how the concept of .NET was evolved over the past 10 years. The current technology of .NET has gone through three significant phases of development. First, OLE technology, second, COM technology, and third, .NET technology. Okay. First, OLE technology. OLE stands for Object Linking and Embedding. OLE technology was developed by Microsoft in the early 1990s to enable easy inter-process communications. OLE provided support to achieve the following. First, to embed documents from one application into another application, to enable one application to manipulate objects located in another application. This enabled users to develop applications which required interoperability between various products such as MS Word and MS Excel. MS Word and MS Excel. Okay, so this one you can pay attention here. Okay, phase 1, phase 2nd, phase 3rd, OLE technology, COM technology, .NET technology. Phase 1st, phase 2nd, phase 3rd, inter-process communication, inter-module, and inter-site communication. Okay, next, COM technology. Till the advent of COM technology, the monolithic approach had been used for developing software, but when programs become too large and complex, the monolithic approach leads to a number of problems in terms of maintainability and testing of software. To overcome these problems, Microsoft introduced the component-based model for developing software programs. In the component-based approach, a program is broken into a number of independent components where each one offers a particular service. Each component can be developed and tested independently and then integrated it into the main system. This technology is known as Component Object Model (COM), and the software built using COM is referred to as componentware, right? So COM technology offers a number of benefits to developers and users. First, it reduces the overall complexity of software. Second, it enables distributed development across multiple organizations or departments, and it enhances software maintainability. Next, .NET technology. .NET technology is a third generation component model. This provides a new level of interoperability compared to COM technology. COM provides a standard binary mechanism for intermodal communication. This mechanism is replaced by an intermediate language called Microsoft Intermediate Language, or simply IL, in the .NET technology. Various .NET language compilers enforce interoperability by compiling code into IL, intermediate language, okay, which is automatically compatible with other IL modules. An inherent characteristic of IL code is metadata. Metadata is data about data and describes its characteristics, including data types and locations. IL allows for true cross-language integration. In addition to IL, .NET includes a host of other technologies and tools will enable us develop and implement web-based applications easily. Now, let's discuss .NET Framework. .NET Framework is one of the tools provided by the .NET infrastructure and tools component of the .NET platform according to diagram. Okay, .NET platform, .NET building block services, .NET device software, .NET user experience, .NET infrastructure and tools, Visual Studio .NET, .NET experience services, Windows 20, .NET framework, and .NET framework. Various components of .NET platform. So you can pay attention to the diagram. This one, and this one. Right. So as pointed out earlier, the .NET platform provides a new environment for creating and running robust, scalable, and distributed applications over the web. A detailed description of either the .NET strategy or the .NET platform is beyond the scope of this video, since C# derives much of its power from the .NET framework on which it runs. We shall briefly discuss the key features of .NET framework. So the .NET framework provides an environment for building, deploying and running web services and other applications. It consists of three distinct technologies as shown in figure C. .NET Framework, ASP.NET, Windows Forms, Web Services, User Interface, Framework-based classes, and Common Language Runtime. So that .NET Framework provides an environment for building, deploying and running web services and other applications. It consists of three distinct technologies. CLR, it stands for Common Language Runtime, Framework-based classes, User and Program Interface, ASP.NET, and WinForms. Okay, and this is, you can pay attention to the diagram, architecture of .NET Framework. Right. Next. The CLR is the core of the .NET Framework and is responsible for loading and running C# programs. Base classes provide basic data types, collection classes and other general classes for other general classes for use by C# and other .NET languages. The top layer contains a set of classes for developing web services and to deal with the user interface. So friends, in .NET Framework, we have we saw CLR, Common Language Runtime, Framework Based Class, User Program Interfaces, ASP.NET. Okay, we uh, we paid attention to COM technology, .NET technology, and OLE technology, object linking, embedding. Okay, so it was the origins of .NET technology. Okay. In next video we will talk about CLR, the Common Language Runtime. Okay, I hope you must have got knowledge with the help of this video. Thank you very much.